Linda from Zhengzhou Shuli Machinery. Today I will introduce the hydraulic shisha charcoal machine for you. Now let's take the machine. This part is PLC controller and it can adjust the parameter. And this is hydraulic system. The machine mainly adopts the system to work. This is pressure part. The pressure is 100 points. And today we test the video is cubic shape with 2.5 centimeters. It can make 60 pieces per time and 4 times per minute. This part is conveyor. The final product will through the conveyor coming out. Okay, now let's check the machine.